Welcome to RAS classes. Today we'll discuss about another program, that is to find the largest and smallest element in an array. To find largest and smallest element in an array. Just see, hash include stdio dot h, then integer main. Then here I am taking integer I, then array, suppose size is 50, large size I am taking, and two input elements, n number of elements I am taking n, and to find large and small. Clear? Then I have to give one printf statement, a message, enter size of array. First I have to input this n, the value of n, you can take backslash n also, then scanf percentile d, then ampersand n. I have to input the value of n, then according to n I will take the loop. First give the printf statement, enter, this is backslash n, enter elements to array. Here, then I have to take one for loop to input elements to array, multiple elements, I less than what? N, then I plus plus. So it will continue n times and I will input n number of elements. Take scanf, this is percentile d, and this is ampersand a of I, a of I. This is to input. Now to find what? The largest and the smallest element. What I have to do? First, just see the what? Logic part. Suppose here I am taking integer a of 5. Here, this is suppose 10, 20, this is 50, this is 30, and this is suppose 40. Clear? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see, to find the largest element in an array, what is the logic? Just see one logic. Suppose I am taking the first element as largest. Here I have taken the variable as large, and same the first element as smallest. This is a of 0. Clear? Now see, from one index onwards, I will check each element with this large and small. Whether any element is there which is greater than my large, then my large will be that element. Same, whether any element is there in an array, in this array, whether any element is there which is smaller than my small, because I have taken smallest element as f0, I have taken largest element as f0, first element I have taken as largest, as smallest also. So from one index onwards I will check whether any element is there which is greater than or larger than my large, then my large will be that element. Any element is there which is smaller than my small, then my small will be that element. So that at last the largest element will be stored in large, variable large, and smallest element will be stored in small. Clear? Just see, same logic I am applying here. Suppose I am taking large equal to a of 0 and same small equal to, this is capital A of 0. Now I will check for I equal to 0, not 0, this is 1. From 1 index onwards we will check I less than n, I plus plus. Clear? If any A of I is there, if any A of I is there which is greater than my large, because I have taken the largest element as A of 0, then my large will be what? That A of I. Same, another if statement will be there. If any A of I is there which is less than my small, then my small will be that A of I. Clear? So this is the end of this for loop. After completion of this loop, what will happen? The largest element will be stored in large, the variable large, and smallest element will be stored in small. After this loop, I have to print what? Printf largest element, largest value or element equal to %d, comma, smallest element equal to %d, then double quote n, this is large and small. Clear? Then this is integer main, so return 0, and this is the end of program. Clear? Now see, come to this logic part. I have taken A of 0 as large, so this will be 10. After this I will check any A of I is there. A of 1, I have travelled from 1 to less than n. That means 1 to 4 I have to travel. Any A of I is there, any A of I means I value is 1. A of 1 is greater than large. Yes, A of 1 greater than my large. So my large will be that A of I. That means 20. Again I will travel. I value will be what? 2. So if A of I greater than this 2, only for large I am taking. After this we will check for small. Same thing. So this A of 2 greater than my large. Yes. So my large will be that A of 2, that is 50. Next I value will be 3. If A of 3 greater than my large, no. So there will be, it will not go inside this if statement, so it will not initialize. So same large value will be previously value, that is 50. Next I value will be 4. If A of 4 greater than my large, no. So it will not go inside the if statement. So after ending of this loop, it will print the largest value is what? Large, that is 50. You can see the largest value is 50. Same for small. Inside loop I have written this if statement to find out the smallest element. Same way it will find the smallest element. This is the program to find out what? The largest and the smallest element in an array. Okay? Today we will stop here, and in next video we will discuss more programs using array. Thank you.